of noodle culture, if you don't try some noodles here, it's like you've never been to Yilan. I heard this store has also quite a history.
Be careful, it's very hot. Be careful. Here's the preserved egg dry noodles you ordered.
Ooh, preserved egg dry noodles, wow. These two kinds of noodles are the signature dishes of this place, right?
Gwajaji is our signature dish. My uncle started to make it. Now it has been 60 years.
Wow, 60 years? It still looks so new.
We used to be at Zhongshan Road and then we moved here.
Oh, as soon as you brought the noodles over here, I could smell the fragrant aroma. Oh, the chicken is very tender. I can split it with my chopsticks so easily.
Yes, it takes about 3 hours for the chicken to taste delicious and tender.
It's really tender. I don't really have to chew, and it just melts in my mouth.
Do you want to try our innovative preserved egg dry noodles?
I'm a little afraid of the taste of preserved eggs.
Many foreigners are reluctant to eat preserved eggs, but the preserved eggs in our dry noodles do not have the ammonia-like odor because of our sauce.
Right. Oh.
So we suggest our customers eat the noodles with the preserved eggs. Otherwise, only preserved eggs will be left in the bowl.
Well, I actually think preserved eggs sounds better than in Mandarin. Do you know what an English translation of preserved eggs is?
What is it?
It is our 1,000-year-old egg. Eggs that are 1,000 years old. It doesn't sound very pleasant. So pinch a little like this.
Right.
If I didn't see the preserved eggs and ate the noodles like this, I wouldn't know that there's preserved eggs, and it would taste so good. And it's kind of chewy.
And the eggs don't have the ammonia-like flavor.
Yeah.
This is our special recipe.
Whoa. Well, oh my god, this looks amazing. Judging by its color.
Is it?
Spicy?
It's not spicy. It's our
It's a
trade secret. Because it's not spicy despite the color.
Oh, it smells very good when you mix it around.
It is very fragrant because we added some Sichuan pepper.
Oh, that's the reason.
However, I can't tell you all the ingredients of the sauce, and it's not
It's
easy
hard
to
to
make. So we sell at most 5 bowls every day.
Only 5 bowls?
Only 5
What?
bowls.
Really? Well, I'm the lucky customer today, and the width of the noodles is different.
Yes, because I experimented with the sauce. It is only suitable for wide noodles because they can absorb more sauce. If we use thin noodles, the taste of the sauce will not be absorbed by the noodles.
Whoa. This is my favorite.
Really?
Really?
You're welcome to come back whenever you have time.
This store is 60 years old, but you still keep creating new dishes. So every time customers come, they can try something different.
We want to conserve tasty dishes while innovating new dishes so that customers will never get tired of our food.
Oh, I definitely will never get tired of eating this. I will order this every time I come to Yilan City.
That depends on whether you're lucky or not that day.
That's right. Can you see the sign behind me? This is Yilan Winery. It is also the oldest winery in Taiwan. And I heard that it makes the most iconic alcohol in Yilan. What exactly is it? Let's go find out. Yilan Winery was founded in 1909. It is more than 100 years old, making it the oldest winery in Taiwan. In the factory, there are many distinctive historical buildings. There is also a unique wall made with stacked jars, making the winery more than a factory that produces wine. It attracts a large number of tourists every year for sightseeing. However, my mission today is to find out the most iconic alcohol here. Well, there are so many jars here, and the couplet here says, the 1,000-year spring flows from Sekawan, the 100-year Honglu flows from Yilan. How many jars do you have here?
There are about 200,000 jars here. They're filled with Yilan's local Honglujiu.
200,000 jars?
Yes.
Honglujiu, it's a type of red wine?
No, it's not red wine. It's brewed from a kind of red yeast rice, so it's a kind of rice wine.
Oh, how long do you have to brew the alcohol before you can drink it?
Generally, when Honglujiu is brewed, it will initially have a heavy bitter taste of red yeast rice, so we will store it for at least 2 years. After 2 years, we will bottle and sell it.
Oh, can we go in and have a look?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Wow. It's really hard to imagine that I'm walking into a time tunnel with 200,000 jars. The old jars have been in use since the Japanese colonial period. What's brewing inside is the most iconic alcohol in Yilan, Honglujiu. The sight of the jars piled on top of each other is awe-inspiring. Even the method of stacking the jars is full of wisdom. The workers use wood planks to balance and fix the jars, allowing the jars to breathe freely in the cellar. The method of stacking is also safer and sturdier. I have never tried Honglujiu. I can't wait to taste the aroma of the ancient wine. Oh, so are these all Honglujiu?
Yes, they are different vintages produced in the winery, including a 2-year premium Honglu, a 3-year golden rooster, and a 6-year-old red wine. This one is unique. It's an old red wine commemorating the opening of the Xueshan Tunnel. It's 1.35 liters, and this jar is painted with an iconic Yilan scenery, the sunrise over Turtle
this is
Island,
beautiful.
one of the 8 best sceneries of Lanyang Plain. So this is a 12-year-old red wine. It is very precious.
Well, which one are we going to try?
I'll let you try the old red wine. This is the 6-year-old red wine.
This one is 6 years old.
Right,
Oh, there's 18% alcohol.
right, 18.5%.
Wow. Is it okay for us to drink so early in the day?
I suppose it's all right.
Then today is particularly lucky day for me.
Let's get drunk.
Cheers. You don't take it like a shot, do you?
It's a shot. Yes, cheers.
Oh, okay. It's not as scary as I imagined. Because you said it's a shot, I thought of tequila, but it's pretty smooth.
This is not that strong, and it has a light taste of chicken soup and smoked plums. Its diverse flavors match well.
Yeah, it's not very pungent.
This is a very good seller.
So this is listed as...
The official alcohol of Yilan County. In 2005, the county council held a vote, and our alcohol was voted the most iconic alcohol of Yilan County.
The century-old Honglujiu is also Yilan's people's holy grail product for receiving guests. Whether it is a temple fairs or festive banquets, people will serve Honglujiu. Even postpartum women eat chicken stew with Honglujiu to replenish their body. In the exhibition and sale area, there are all kinds of vintages with the diverse and original packaging, injecting youthful vitality into old alcohol and making Honglujiu the iconic souvenir of Yilan. Wow, there are so many kinds of products here. Are they all Honglujiu?
Yes, for different activities, the winery makes customized products for our customers.
Is this a local temple?
Yes, it is. This is for a temple in Shiling, Taipei, and this is for a temple near the winery. It's a temple in Yilan. Our customers buy Honglujiu mainly for temple fairs or some other activities. They present the alcohol to worship the gods or to use it for some local activities.
Oh, so you made the alcohol more localized.
It is actually a kind of alcohol that is very close to the people.
So we can make one episode of Linkings 368 Taiwan on this.
Of course.
The creative packaging of Honglujiu makes it close to the people, and through various displays in the museum, tourists can learn more about the century-old history of Yilan Winery, witnessing the inseparable bond between the people and the alcohol. And since I'm here, of course I have to try the freshly grilled red yeast sausage. Let's go enjoy. Ooh. You have to try the red yeast sausage when you visit Yilan Winery. It's very juicy, and it has a light aroma of alcohol. Although Yilan Winery is 100 years old, with new packaging, it seems timeless.